right now. You need to tell you that you owe you something. There's absolutely nothing you can't have. Nothing. You can have whatever you want, but let's just be very close. You will not have anything if you're not willing to put in sweat, blood, and tears. If you think you're going to pay any other fare, you twisted. And I need you to understand that the bigger your dream is, the earlier you're going to have to get up. You do not make excuses. I live on my term. I owe myself. I owe me. I owe nobody else. There's only one person responsible for your dreams becoming reality. If you walk out of here and you don't get the job, you don't have a job, don't you cry about it. You ask yourself, what have I not done? I'm telling you to dream your dream because I want you to feel it. I want you to taste it. What makes a person average is their focus. And so what you're focusing on throughout the course of the day, it has to change. What you're looking at, what you're reading, what you're watching, the conversations you have. You must now be focused on your why, and you must be focused on your dreams. You must be focused on your goals. When you are great, you don't focus on a week. When you are great, you don't focus on a month. When you are great, you don't focus on a year. I'm not saying the same thing wrong with planning, but what I'm talking about is you concentrate on the 24 hour that's in front of you and you nail it. I want you to focus on here right now. Don't you worry about when you get home. You concentrate on this opportunity. You don't worry about tomorrow. You concentrate on this opportunity with all your might, with all your soul, with all your heart. You focus on this, and tomorrow will take care of itself. If you would just believe that your day coming, that the sacrifices you are making today, they gonna pay off. But if you do not believe, it ain't gonna happen. When you said to yourself, this is what I want to accomplish, you're not the only person. Well, good morning, Legacy, YouTube, everybody tuning in today. Hopefully you had a solid Monday. Today's Tuesday, a brand new day to follow our plans, our strategies to the T to get the results we all want. We're trying to build towards freedom today, everybody. Good morning, folks. I'm excited to trade this morning because I know if I follow my rules, guess what happens? I get the freaking result. 925, I'll give you where all the stuff is at on the charts. And man, oh man, the market took an absolute dump last night for the overnight session. Kind of crazy because we were during the hangout seeing some of it. It kept on going. Turn that music down just a little bit because I think that thing's blasting on my end over here. There we go. Not trying to blow my speakers or anything. What's up, Izzy? Izzy is in the chat. Good morning, sir. Daz, good morning. Anthony, good morning, bro. Dort, Sean, Kenneth, good morning, fellas and ladies. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, well, I'm ready to trade this morning. Hopefully you are too. Only need to make today. I'm gonna try base hitting to the max today because honestly, base hitting gets the payouts. Let's see here. Cool, that's good. We got news today at 10 o'clock as well. We got a little bit 10 o'clock news today. Trying to see what that even does to the market because as we can see, the market's been coming down. But I want to know why. Does anybody in the chat know why the market's coming down right now? Did we have some news or something come out to drop us down like this? Because the way it's coming down, it can keep on going, being honest. No freaking clue right now. May have to ask ChatGPT, why is the Nasdaq dropping? Because this thing dropped a lot. Let's see.
see, 121. Yeah. Like 400 or 500 points. That's crazy. And it's a Tuesday. Drops up there. Well below that, so. Buyers taking profits finally. John, I feel like it has to be more than that though, bro. This feels like something about with news. The way that we're coming down, it's like something based upon some type of news that may have came out, or even something that the market's anticipating coming out. I'm not complaining, because if it wants a waterfall during this morning session, we're here for it. We're here for it. Let me actually get my account set and ready for the day. That's good. Looking like a little bear flag there on the 5-minute chart. Looking like a 5-minute bear flag there. I'm gonna just start early today. We're starting a minute early. The 21 EMA on the Nasdaq 2-minute chart is sitting right at 703.25. 703.25. Our VWAP up there at 862.50. 862.50. We do have a pivot above us as well, 876. And we're currently sitting right around the pivot where the price is currently at, which is 697.50. 697.50. What's up, Amon? Amon, I had to, bro. I had to. I gotta beat the markets up today and take all of its money. I'm gonna be a bully in the market today. 30,078.50. 30,078.50 is the close from yesterday. Close from yesterday there. And as it sits right now, I'm holding and waiting, because we have to make sure we're taking A+ setups. Without the A+ setups, you don't always get the A+ profit. So I want to see some good profits today, and the only way to do that is waiting for the move and not trading chop. Hopefully it does not chop today, but if it does, we'll be sitting on the sidelines waiting for it to clear up a little bit. I do feel like this thing's going to continue down here, but since we're so close to market open, I'm like, I'm not risking any accounts pre-market here. FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, that is true. FOMC tomorrow. Maybe I'll get some like Apex accounts and full port them for FOMC if I'm home. Because I'm going to get an IV tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that IV tomorrow. Because I told my girl, my baby, I'm making sure I'm dialed for freaking Mexico. I'm dialed. I'm already down 3 pounds since getting back from Europe. I'm trying to get down another like 6 to 9 pounds in the next 2 weeks. So your boy gotta be super hyper focused here. Hey, Daz, $1,100. That's amazing. Let's go. Good job. Printing machines. Printing freaking machines. I love it. Apex full go. Possibly. We're going to see. We're going to see. All right, we got less than 3 minutes for market open here. Less than 3 minutes for market open. It's one of those things where I need clean movement. Like, I was talking to my brother yesterday, and we were talking about how choppy the markets have been. Granted, we've been producing and printing in these choppy markets, but today may be a day where it cleans up enough where we're just hitting it. What's up, Ule? Daz, use a prop firm. Don't even do a live brokerage account. Do a prop firm. Do a prop firm. Save your money. I will be starting a series end of this week, early next week, where I walk you through the process of getting the eval, creating the eval, getting funded, and using the payouts from that funded account to fund a live brokerage account, which we will be trading as well. So it's gonna be real good. It's gonna be real good. Ule, another day in paradise, brother. We're chilling, we're vibing, we're waiting for these markets to open. Less than 2 minutes here. Ready to print, bro. I get excited to trade because like it just gets me excited. I love trading. Man, where's my market makers at? They all late today. BP must still be sleeping. Your mic cut out? The mic should be good. I stopped talking for a second there, Is. Yeah, but you're not on the call, Anthony. You're not on the Zoom. So I'm just like in here by myself, like, it is what it is. Yeah, I paused on speaking for a moment, Is. My mic's good. All right. All right, we got market open here in 15 seconds. No 1 second orb today, folks. Take your time. What's up, Uptown? You're a complete beginner. Could you give a little rundown as you go through? Well, very simple. Market just opened. This is the New York session. I'm trading the NQ futures. I look for bull flags, bear flags with momentum. During the stream, I will call those things out. So you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. We simply print each and every day, bro. Welcome to the stream. I'm excited for your journey. Join my community, the Legacy Wealth Society. It is free to join. It's for traders, by traders, helping people win each and every day in the market. That's not a 1 second time frame, but it's showing the momentum. Just waiting here, just waiting. It's only been a minute. Like, no reason to just jump in. No reason just to jump in yet, folks. It's been a freaking minute. Let the market sweep people, stop losses, everything like that. Squeeze shorts and longs. And then we get into the markets. No, the 1 second did just rip. My Rincos aren't 1 second, but if you're on a 1 second chart, that'll get you pretty close to what mine are set at. Tonight, we got the builders training in the community. So if you haven't RSVP, make sure you RSVP on under the builders tab in the community. So that way you're able to be in tonight's training where I'm breaking down my full strategy from A to freaking Z with a Q&A afterwards. Good morning, Niner. It's going to be a good old training. We're going to get a lot of y'all dialed. And I know tomorrow you guys are going to print so much more. Daz, honestly, you should be done trading. If you already printed $1,000 pre-market, why are you even still here? Take your money and run. What's up, LJ? Been a little bit, bro. Good morning, sir. Yeah, no live account. No live account. How Steve tricked me. He put his name as LJ, which we had a market maker named LJ. That's crazy. It's Steve. His picture came up. I saw Steve's face for a second. I'm like, hey, LJ. Steve's white, LJ's black. Make it make sense. Unless LJ be trying to be Michael Jackson. How you doing this morning, brother?
Good, how are you?
Another day in paradise, fam. Look at the squeeze right there. There we go.
Did you see that Lucid has a app now?
Yeah. I haven't downloaded it yet, but I did see that they do have one. So I'll probably download it today. Check it out.
Yep.
How was your trip, man?
It was incredible.
Awesome. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah, it was amazing. I saw one of the top 5 sunsets I've seen in my entire life.
That's cool. That's cool. Nothing beats a really nice sunset. I don't care who you are. Everyone loves and enjoys a nice sunset.
Yeah, it was incredible. It was like, it was beyond belief.
The best one I've seen so far was up in Canada in the mountains, over there in Banff.
Yeah.
We were on this one mountain at this, like, not preserve, but it was like this real nice area, up in the mountains, and like they had like they were talking. I guess up there it was like a lot of Indians or something at one point in those mountains, and it was like just like tribal music, spiritual experience. Like, it was a spiritual experience. It's like, dang, I almost shed a tear up there. Yeah.
And then they saw you looking and they're like, sir, the sunset is closed.
Yeah, I told my girl, I'm like, babe, I'm having like an emotional experience right now. She's like, you good? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. I'm just like, I don't know. It was the most gorgeous sunset I've ever seen in my life. Like, it was #1 in sunsets.
Yeah, this one's definitely a top 5. But it was just incredible.
Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. Glad you had fun, all that stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Let me see.
What's up, Cap? Good morning. Right back up to that, right through that pivot point. Just pushed to the 697 pivot, 697.50 pivot there. So who knows what we're going to get here? Who knows? But we're waiting. We're dialed and waiting. All right. It's only been 5 minutes. We're not doing a 5-minute freaking orb here. We do the 15-minute orb. So we're waiting. We're being patient, because at the end of the day, we have plenty of time to execute trades. Good morning, Noah.
Yesterday, I did some trading. I just, my wife was here, so I didn't jump on the call because we were out. But I put on a trade, and I came back from shopping like 2 hours later, and then I finally closed it at $212. It was.
Yeah, yesterday it was slow and choppy.
But I could see that it was definitely bearish, so I just put on ES, set it, and then and it it was just, as soon as it got above 200, I'm just like, I'll close it. But it was like, man, that was I think my longest trade ever, and it was like, whoa, it's still going.
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday after the first initial move, it was just slow and choppy. So it happens. But last night on the hangout, if I would have kept trading, I could have printed, since it kept coming down. Kept showing those bear flags. Found the overnight session.
It was just sawtoothing, on the low. I was like, okay, I'll put in a ATM order and let it ride.
Yep.
And I did that 3 times yesterday.
Hey,
but that other one,
money.
Cake.
Yeah.
The other one, man, I can't even believe it.
I feel like we're in this weird area right now where the market hasn't decided if it wants to go up or if it wants to go down yet. Because look at that 5-minute wick, previous candle. We got massive wicks on both sides. So right now we're just consolidating and sitting here.
Yeah, yesterday when I was trading, it was like 30 30,100 in that range. It was kind of bouncing along, but then of course, I went to ES because ES was telegraphing it. It's like, okay,
Yeah.
that way it's like less chance of it just having a spike and tagging it out. But
Good morning, Moose.
how
Another
was
day, bro. We're chilling. Trying to make a couple dollars. That's it. I'm not like real eager to jump in right now.
That looks ugly, right?
Like, we're sitting close to this pivot point. Like, market needs to figure out what it wants to do today. We do have news at 10 o'clock today.
I was doing something else and I forgot to like chart up my notice times.
What's up, BP? Good morning. BP's early today. Watch out. Yeah, let me move my mouse so I don't click any buttons, because I want to click the button because I love trading, but there's nothing to click the button on yet. So, A+ setups, one A+ setup, sir.
Uncle D-Rock, aren't you starting on your live account soon?
No, you want to be on the vertical? We have for everyone on the YouTube, we have the vertical stream and the horizontal stream. You do get more like screen on the horizontal. The vertical is very tight, everything like that. So you still see everything, but you can't see the full entire screen. But
You can't
go
see
to whichever
Dwayne's
one you
face.
want. We
You
stream
can't
for
see
different.
Dwayne's face when he makes a face on the vertical.
Betsy, what you gonna do? Yep, Daz, great job, and hey, practice makes perfect.
Yeah,
Let's see, are we going to build us a little bull flag here, maybe? Want to start seeing some flags start forming. I need some flag action.
I'm gonna go get some coffee. I already mowed my lawn, so I'm kind of like done.
He was
Yeah, I
up
do it
at
myself.
3 in the morning.
Well, I do it myself because it's like, it's free exercise. So
Are we getting ready to pump here?
When Dwayne says that, he's ready to jump in.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about, Moose.
Oh, he's already in. I wasn't looking at the screen.
let's see something.
He's dancing a lot. I'll probably just take some quick profits here, because we're just consolidating now. I only get $30. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy right there. I closed at like $200, got $30. But I'm waiting now. I'll be waiting for this bull flag because that's what it looks like we're trying to build. Waiting for the bull flag here on the 2 minute.
I guess I probably should trade in Q since you're in the room. Let me go over there.
Glad I did get out of that because the Bears are trying to squeeze the Bulls right now.
Now we're getting a full reversal.
That's what it's looking like.
Well, looking at the wick on the 5 minute, I'm kind of convinced. Go down to that EMA.
That's where we're getting ready to tag. Look at that. Hey, I'm thankful for my $30. Because I
just got out and got $35.
today must be a $30 day. It is what it is.
Everybody's gonna get together and buy an appetizer.
Everybody pitch in.
Get ready to tag this. All right, there's the 21 EMA tag. Still looking heavy. Still looking heavy. Yeah, this thing's definitely looking like it's trying to flip all the way down.
D-Rock would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. We have less than a minute 10 for the range to be fully completed here as well. Give me my flush.
Nice. 375 on that. Oh, actually 541 on that and funded.
Hey, let's go, Moose.
Change to the next one. I only needed $80 and I got 541. But can we transfer that over?
That's awesome. Good job, bro.
Thank you.
What's up, official?
Will you give us our range, baby?
Yes, sir. The range for today, the 15-minute range on the NQ. The low of the range, 631.25. 631.25. The high of the range, 769.50. 769.50 there. So we're just waiting for some flag action, everything like that, so we can execute. Want to see some follow through here.
Yeah, follow through would be the name of the game.
We need to see something. We need something here.
I don't like on the 2-minute that the wicks are like that.
Yeah.
And the 1 minute kind of cleans that situation up, but we'll see.
Are we going to get some continuation here? Possible. Maybe we build a little flag right here on the 2 minute. I'll be okay with that. I'm just hoping today's not another chop day, because the market for the past week and some change has just been chopping. It started actually chopping when I was getting ready to leave Portugal.
Yeah, I'm tired of the chop.
Oh, you and me both. For everybody on the YouTube streams, good freaking morning. We do these streams every single morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, trading the NQ with you guys. We're thrilled you're here. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, because the more you like the stream, the more YouTube pushes these streams out. We have three streams going right now. We have the Zoom call for the market makers of Legacy Wealth Society. We have the horizontal stream and the vertical stream. So we're here with everybody, vibing up, growing, and printing this morning. So stay safe in the market, follow your rules, and you will actually be able to get the results you want as long as you're disciplined. Let's get it going. Just waiting here. We're at my yellow line, the line in the sand. Just got stopped on this eval. Let me wait, because let me move my yellow line down a little bit here and wait for the momentum. I'm too eager right now, boys. I'm too eager. Hey, what's up, BP?
What's up?
Another day, bro. How you doing this morning?
Doing okay.
Oh, you're doing better than just okay, sir. You're alive. You thriving. That's better than okay.
You're right. You're right.
What's going on, BP? Everything good?
What's up, Moose? Yeah, everything's been going pretty well. I woke up less groggy than I think I was going to, just because I did still kind of go to bed late last night too.
What time are you normally going to bed?
I'm trying to go to bed before 1, but sometimes it drags on to like 2 to 3.
I feel
like
that.
12:59, it sounds good.
Yep, that's exactly when I'm trying to close my eyes, close them up for the night, you know.
I did legs 2 days ago and they still hurt. So I've been sleeping at 10 p.m. I'm tired. I gotta go to I joined EOS. That's for BP. That's a gym. Oh, you guys have them in Texas, right? You're in Texas, right?
Yeah, I do, but I don't know if I've heard of that joke before.
Well, that's a chain that comes from Texas. We have them out here, but I'm sure Duane has heard of it too.
Yeah, I've heard of EOS.
So I joined EOS, and one of my boys, he's a regional manager, so he gave me like the really cheap discount, like price, $15 a month. I can use anyone in the country, and they have
That's crazy.
yeah, exactly right.
15 bucks a month. That's like Planet Fitness, but better.
That's exactly, and then it's really good. They have like rehab rooms, so you put the compression sleeves on, the sauna, the this, the that, and that's where I'm gonna head to today, because I don't need a gym. I have a full gym at home, but I got it because their rehab rooms are really good. So today I'm gonna go there because my legs are killing me. I don't know what I was thinking. I was training like I was still playing football. Like,
It happens. It happens.
what is it? Cleans, hang cleans, deadlifts. Like, all right, guy. You know you're old now, right? We have a 4-hour resistance zone right here, where we're at right now, where we're sitting. I want to see if we get past this area. I'll take a stop. It just keeps going up. Matches up a lot right now. When you in?
Yeah, I'm in. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. They said, "Hey, you wanted to see if you were gonna go in here. Take this."
So, so just clean that up. We just broke out of the 15-minute range as well. Only down $140 in this account, so we'll get that corrected.
Now I want to see a retracement underneath and see if it happens. A little retracement candle underneath this. Oh my god.
I want to take another short. Like, I'm tempted to take another short here, but I want to see it recorrelate to the low of the 15-minute range, reject off, and then go lower. That'd be what I'm wanting. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but that's what I'd be wanting personally. What's up, Maxwell? Greetings. All right, brought this account back to green here, so that's good. Now we're gonna get dialed. Now what's this one? Okay. There's the low of the 15-minute range. If I would have just waited just a couple extra seconds before closing. Pushed a little bit higher than I wanted into the 15-minute range. But I wanted that recorrelation there. So now we can expect, if we are going to go short, the market is moving how it should. Because only 10% of the time do we break out the range and we never recorrelate to the low of it before continuing down. One down. Here we go. And now we wait. Patience, patience, patience. There's a low of the 15-minute range right there. Waiting to see where I want to enter here. Watch my Renko bars for the confirmation. We may add some structure here for a bear flag. So just being patient here. If you're not patient, you won't get the results. Trust me on that. Let's see if this structure plays out for us. You're waiting for a bearish Trump tweet. Hey, if it happens, bro, it's gonna move quick.
It's coming at 10, right? We have news at 10.
Yeah, we got news in. Good call out. Thank you for reminding me. 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news. So I'll hold and wait. Because we're a minute out.
I do see the 5-minute retracement performing, but that might be an oopsie if we get caught.
Oopsie. Just waiting. We got 10 o'clock news. Let me see what news it was. Is pending homes index, pending sales change What's that for? Yeah, pending home sales. So that may move the markets a little bit. But I'm watching to see if we get a bear flag here on the 2-minute chart. My entry will be below the 15-minute range for my short. I want to see it have follow through 631.25, and then I'll jump in on it. Trying to do a little flag, but bull stepping in, showing that buying wick. News would have just dropped as well. That's what caught it. Yeah, looks like we're just building structure right here. Definitely want to be careful. We want to see clear continuation. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. The Bears look like they want to flush it, but buyers are trying to step in. Let's see if we get the full flush. Nope, don't like that reaction there. Off my entry, of course. I just got stopped out on a second eval for the day. These are daily evals. Just got stopped out again. This is
what the fuck. Guess what happened too?
What happened?
Fucking got stopped out.
What type of account was it?
Eva.
Oh. Eval, a stop out on eval. Whatever. Whatever.
I was long on ES, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna get stopped. And it like came down, ticked, and then didn't stop me out, and then popped up, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna close it. I was like, that came too close to the stop loss. I was just gonna do it.
You know what's crazy though? I went to close out at 600 and it wouldn't close, and then it went back up, and then it stopped me out.
Dang, I wonder if it lagged.
Yeah, man, because I was at 600. I'm not even joking.
That's annoying.
And
That's
it
annoying.
didn't close, and it just push up, and then it stopped me out. What the fuck? I'm beyond pissed because it wasn't even my fault. Man, I'm annoyed right now. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Watch this thing come back down right now. Punch my screen right now.
Punch my
I'm so mad. Oh, this damn lag, man. I'm so pissed. Big dog, man.
That's crazy.
I'm so mad right now.
This is freaking crazy. This thing's about to drop like a rock. I should have closed. I was up $700 in this account. I'm only trading evals right now because I'm not feeling the price action today. But still, how long does it take to get funded after it should repopulate once on your dashboard. It should turn green. So just refresh yourself a couple times and it should be able to activate.
I would like to front run a short, but I feel like we're in the middle of this smaller manipulation zone, and I don't want to get chopped up.
Yeah, listen, I don't know. Don't follow me right now. I've been stopped out on 2 accounts.
I think maybe a solid candle closure below like 605 might be a good area, possibly, but and then it might retest up a little bit.
This is where the area where we had a lot of buying pressure. So
the candle that I have marked for my manipulation would be the 955 candle. So if we keep bouncing off of it, then I'd be trying to build structure for up. But if we can finally clear through it, it'll probably go down.
okay.
But I will say ES does look a little bit stronger for longs today as well. So it seems like if we want the opportunity, shorts on Nasdaq might be stronger, but then longs on ES might be better. Yeah, just because right now ES is like pumping up to the top of this wick over here at like 10:03.
If we get closer to my yellow line, that's going to be a nice little short. But right now we're in the danger zone. The danger zone. Nice, Niner. Good job, bro. Yeah, it's definitely playing a game today.
Maxwell, you got this, man. Diamond hands.
We're heading towards my yellow line. We just broke out the 15-minute range as well. Let's see if we get follow through here. We're right at my yellow line, right below it.
Look, this shit is dropping again. I'm so mad. So pissed. Stop me up for no reason, man.
It stopped you out because it wanted your stop loss. That's all.
Yo. I don't understand. Like I said, I closed out at 600 and it didn't close and it just kept going shoot back up. I'm like, I already pressed the fucking button. So ticked off about that.
I would expect us to bounce in this area right now just a little bit. Let's see where our first target is. Okay, our first target from the 15-minute range, 562. 562.
ES is moving down to recorrelate, so this could potentially give a good draw.
Just sticking and moving right now. Sticking and moving. Maxwell's still holding. Man, Maxwell. Wild man, bro. Still holding my shorts. Pause. That's funny. Are we going to build us a little bear flag right here?
That was actually really surprising just because ES pretty much recorrelated and we didn't really get the drop that I wanted on NQ.
It dropped a little bit.
It did drop. Like it had a good reaction, but I was expecting more. Let's see. ES still hasn't taken London. That's the only thing that I can see right now.
Oh, how I closed 140, lost 90 bucks. A little bit of slippage today. Let's see how we react off the support area. 581 on Ninja Trader. We do have a bear flag that printed on the 2-minute, but we have buying wick. I'm not feeling the buying wicks. Clean this account up. Not feeling the buying wicks. Wait for some good momentum to step in. We need some momentum here. I had the blue line of death, then it put me in. Not trailing. I'm thinking about copy trading right now. I'm on. Yeah, the markets right now is very choppy. Very choppy, sir. I'm gonna copy trade. Let me get my replicanto on. Now let's wait to see. because this could be one ugly looking bear flag, or this thing's about to pump back to the 15-minute range here. We do have that selling wick on the 5-minute. Just trying to be as cautious as possible right now because these markets are not moving as clean as we would like today. So let's just be safe. Let's wait for our setups and then execute. Okay, so I did. What was that? What type of lag was that? I had an orange line. I've never seen the orange. I've seen it before, but not like that. Give me the 1,000 touch. Closed out 650 on 3 accounts right there. Nowadays, the orange is in the White House. Let me make sure that. Oh, my bad. I didn't know the screen wasn't on. My bad, folks. Well, I just copy traded 3 accounts. Let me actually see if it actually copy traded properly. Hey, well, one actually did 850. That works. I'm not complaining. Well, 2 did 850. My leader account did 650. Make it make sense. Back into the range. There we go. We got the 21 EMA getting ready to get tagged. That's 647.5, 647.5. So once we tag it, let's see if we reject off of it to take us back down. Or we may try building a little bull flag since we just had one to keep us pumping here.
Alexa, play my notifications.
You have one new notification from Amazon Shopping. A package containing platform trainer has arrived.
Golden haze, strangers moving in the same old way.
All right, we're through the 21. Let's see how we react here. This is a pivotal area where if we reject, this is going to be one big old bear flag on the 2-minute. Where if we pump, we're going to be going to the moon. But the way it's rejecting right now is letting me know this is going to be one big bear flag.
I saw you standing across the light, not close enough to touch, too close to call it nothing. No words between us, no need to speak. Years fell open in one silent look. You are the same calm in a different shade, and something in my chest
I can only put in.
remembered how you stayed.
I can put in a little bit more. But I can't go crazy. I can't go crazy. I'm putting more profits in a couple of these accounts. Yeah, this is could be a textbook flag, but I'm hating the wicks, man. I'll draw this one out completely too. BP, what are you thinking, bro?
I was trying to get into a short at 645 to 660, but it didn't tag me in.
That's Aggie. Market's being Aggie today.
We have a little bit of bullish manipulation and it's pushing it up, so I just feel like I want bearish manipulation to kick in once it starts filling me, but if it doesn't, then it's probably just gonna run to my stop loss. Oh, it halted right before tagging me.
So annoyed.
Holy. Just popped straight up. It filled me through both of mine.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, go too far. We're right at that, above that 21 EMA, but we got this crazy candle of wicks on both sides here.
I got tagged in. It didn't stop me out, so that was nice. It's fighting though. I should probably just close.
Guys,
Have a good one.
I'm gonna work out, and I have a doctor's appointment in a little while, so let me use my time before I'm more annoyed already and commit another error. I'll talk to you guys later.
All right, brother. Have a good day, man.
Have a good day, man.
Bye bye.
It's still just pushing up. I should have closed.
It's okay. Woosah. Woosah. One still pumping too. Let's see if we can get another bull flag. Because the market's going to do what the market wants to do, folks. Do not try anticipating or figuring out what the market, we got to react to the market because the market has a mind of its own. Never have a bias. Never have a bias.
Yeah, that just stopped me out.
Take me to the moon, Betsy. And of course, we're getting ready to build a flag right here. I've been jumping in today, like in the structure phase of some flags. Not feeling it. We are having that buying wig, so that is positive, but not trying to sit in the structure phase. We're like right there too. I'm waiting for this push. We do have selling pressure on the 5 minute, selling pressure on the 5.
Morning touched the desert, night dissolved in gold. I carried home the silence deep within my soul.
I'm looking for an aggressive push to the upside here. Could be coming any second here. No, seller stepped in right away.
No stars to follow, no signs in the sky.
Oh, there's your pop, Duane.
Finally.
Breath and silence, moving through the night.
That's crazy. That clothes only got $100.
Chase the distance for a spark to call my own.
But caught instantly by the sellers.
And showed
I was expecting more follow through.
I kept waiting for a signal, for a hand to lead me through. But every road outside me kept fading from the truth. Then the rhythm came slowly, low beneath my bones, like the fire I had needed had been burning all along. Looking peaceful. Let your heat and brightness grow. I carry my own light through the deepest night. I don't need the distance to tell me I'm alive. I carry my own light, burning calm and true. What I searched for in the darkness was already moving through.
Come on, Betsy. Push already. I got out. I got out there. It was taking forever, boys. It was taking freaking forever. But we got out. Green's green.
Like thunder without fear. Every breath grew wider,
today for me is kind of a blah day. I got stopped down some evals. I put money in other accounts. I got stopped down 3 evals because it's the 1250 stop loss on it. So that was slightly aggy. Yeah, we took the green, bro. We had to. Green's green, fam. These markets, they have been very choppy. Very, very choppy. Because right now, who knows? This could flip right here. That's why I'm like, I'm not really feeling the markets today. Yeah, it's weird. Every time it's a training day, we're having a training for Legacy, it always like gets me like this. I always get stopped down on a couple of accounts, like, which is annoying. And then I'm like, dang. How did he become so patient? Life? That's a good question. How did I become so patient? Honestly, it's just been when we try rushing the process, we don't get the results, right? Like, and for me personally, patience pays. Patience always pays. Yep, there's the flip. For everybody on the YouTube streams, welcome. We do these streams every freaking morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading. And we're actually trading live with you guys. So hopefully you're enjoying this morning's stream. Make sure you hit the like button so YouTube pushes such people like yourself. Quality people that want to win the markets each and every day to secure their freedom. Listen, the question of the day is, how did I become so patient? Life and trading. I learned as a trader, if you have more patience, you'll make more money. Just saying. Hopefully you're making money. Let's keep vibing. Legacy, for all my Legacy fam in here, tomorrow we got our training. Well, no. Tomorrow? Wait, today's Tuesday. Tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, we got our training for the builders. So make sure you RSVP to be able to get in the room tonight. We are starting right at 7. Right at 7 o'clock tonight, we're starting. So make sure you're in the room early. So that way, when we start, you're ready. Have your notepad ready, everything like that. We're breaking down my full strategy from A to Z, showing you guys how to use it. And we have a Q&A after the training as well. So excited for that. And then yes, we'll have our regular traders hang out, but the training is only in the Legacy Wealth Society's builders plan. The Zoom link is already in there. I will see you guys at 7 for that. These markets are just trashy trash. I'm mad that I got stopped out on three accounts today. So aggy. So freaking aggy. Niner, have a good one, bro. Have a good one. Like some of my funded accounts, I didn't even trade today because of how bad the market is. I'm not even putting them up in the markets because this is choppy. I'll trade evals through chop like this, but not my funded. No, thank you.
Come on. Let's get the new high.
Need to
I'm
do
in a
something.
long right now, but it's probably gonna come down and sweep me out first. Just because the market's just chopping.
Bro, this chop is horrible. Look how sideways we're going right now, how tight it is.
Yikes.
On that 2 minute. I feel like this may try flipping. Because we're consolidating right now. We get through that 21 EMA. This thing's going to waterfall right back down. I wouldn't say yes to that story, right? And I say that for a reason. It depends on where you're at with your trading, first off, because the select flex side, I like that one a lot for Tradeify because once you're funded, you trade for 5 days and you can take a payout. Where in the daily side, you had that buffer of the $2,100, and everything over that you can take a payout. What if you get to that buffer and then you blow your account? It's gonna take a payout, but you put the money in. Emotion, yeah, it kept falling. A bullish head and shoulder pattern on the 5-minute chart. I guess, yeah, but I'm not trusting the market at all right now, folks. There's the 21. We're losing that 21 EMA. Just in case. No, of course, Stuart. I like the flex side because you can pretty much guarantee a payout. $150 for 5 days, and you get a payout. Where in the daily side, you gotta get that buffer first, and then everything over the buffer you can take payouts on. Got some buying pressure there. The 5-minute would look like a little bull flag, but we got those big selling wicks. I'm not trusting those selling wicks today. Let me try something. I may switch over to a sim account because I need to try something. Yeah, I won't put it on. You test the theory I had. $13. So I'm curious here. I'm gonna put an ATM strategy on. Oh, let's see. What do I want the stop loss to be? Stop loss will be 50. Take profit will be 100. I'm going in at one contract because I want to see something here. I'm just testing something. I'm not really trying to make any. This is a sim account. I'm trying to test something here.
Morning filled the valley, gold replaced the night. I didn't leave my shadow.
I should have done it already.
Into the light.
I want the bulls to push up a little bit. I'm trying to see something here.
Night moved over silence. Stars were burning low. I was asking empty places where my heart should go.
I kind of like that.
No
Interesting.
answer
Okay.
from a distance. No sign across the dark. Then a voice rose through the drums and opened up my heart.
Because since I trade, like, so with like Tradeify and Lucid, they cap you on how many contracts you could trade. And I'm normally doing 2 contracts off rip. But if I start going in with 1 contract, I can add to it.
Yes. All right. I just
BP did something good.
I was holding shorts for some time. At least it was just downtrending perfectly, and we didn't really have any like crazy pop-ups. Dang, I TP'd at 609 and then it's popping.
So that made 405. Okay. I'm trying to see. Won't scale out. Oh, that's let's go, Motion. Let's get it, bro. You got it. I want to mess around with this probably a little bit later. I wanted a way where I could scale in and scale out, but
I think that would be kind of a really beneficial thing, just because, like, because let's say you want to trade with 2 minis, right? You could technically like enter in with 1 mini, and then if it ends up doing like a pullback, then you could theoretically add the second one in, and it would get a way better entry. And then once it's like moving on its way down, then it would offset the position that's down. So then, like, whenever one's in profit, it brings the other one to break even. And then once the other one's at break even, then the other one's just completely in profit.
Yeah.
Once they're both in profit, then they're both just doing good.
That's what my brother's been doing. That's why I'm like, scaling into his trades and scaling out. But for me, I wouldn't be able to scale out. I can only scale in. We'll see. We'll see what we try doing here. Have a good one, Motion. So how's everyone doing in the chat? Are you guys good today? Are you guys winning? Are you learning today? There's no such thing as losses when it comes to trading. You just learn something different. You learn something new. I gotta do legs today. Hey, Maxwell, no such thing as a small win. No such thing as a small win. A win's a win, bro. Do not let your mind tell you it was a small win. A win's a win. Why it happens, bro. Are you gonna be on the training tonight at 7? Awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be a good old training.
I'm real tempted to take a short, but we're facing some bullish manipulation as well.
Just be careful, bro. If you're green for the day, fam, why risk it?
Yeah, that's true.
You know, we're coming up on 11 o'clock. It's up to you, though. Like, don't let me stop you from being great. You know what I'm saying? Don't let me stop you from being great. It could, but I'm not willing to risk it anymore today. This thing's been so choppy. Because we could come all the way down to 562. That's where my target was. Just gonna have to do it without me because I ain't touching it.
Holy.
There we go.
You know what?
You took your short?
No.
Oh.
It's all good.
Finally breaking through my yellow line that I probably put on right around like 10 something. So kind of crazy on that. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to trade again tomorrow, boys. I'm ready to execute tomorrow. And we just print. That's it. I'm gonna go eat my banana and my protein shake after this. I'm so freaking hungry right now. My body's finally getting back to normal. I'm hungry right now. Well, I'm probably going to jump out a couple minutes early here because I'm not trying to trade anymore personally. I need to walk away. So, with that being said, BP, nothing but love, brother. Glad you joined us this morning. I will catch all you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. If I don't see you on the training tonight, I'll see you at the Hangout. Your boys out.
Thanks for having me, Duane. Peace out, brother. Have a good day.
Of course, brother. You as well. Don't work too hard today.
We'll see you. Take care, Legacy.
All right, brother.